Welcome to the Tamarack Nature Preserve. Please pause for a moment. What has brought you here? Are you passing by? Are you here to explore?
For my Eagle project, the plan was to create an audio tour to navigate through the trails in the beautiful Tamarack Nature Preserve.
At this point on the boardwalk, you will be able to see a quaking aspen tree.
I wanted to do a project that uses technology to help my community, and the need was to bring awareness about the hidden gem, Tamarack Nature Preserve, in the heart of the city of Woodbury. And when I reached out to Mr. Smith, he was very welcoming and interested.
I thought the Tamarack Nature Preserve audio tour was a great project. It was unique, innovative, and something that the city has never done before at any of our park locations. What I love about this Eagle Scout project and the audio tour is it really provides opportunity for visitors to come here, passively hike through the park and get this great audio tour with a lot of valuable educational information.
This audio tour consists of interesting facts and underlying history about the different species around the trails.
You're about to embark on a trip to this bog-like ridge fen, which resulted from the last retreat of glaciers in the region over 10,000 years ago.
I made multiple visits to this preserve to collect information about different species along the trail, and I interviewed the Friends of Tamarack to gain more interesting information and historical facts.
Best sign of spring is those red-winged blackbirds.
Working with Domnic has been a pleasure. He had a lot of files, maps, as well as iNaturalist links to what's in the TNP. So how he was able to synthesize all that information and put it into 18 stops, kudos to Domnic.
I created a lengthy script, which ended up being for 18 locations across the preserve. And then I led the Boy Scouts from my troop into recording the audio for the tour.
This preserve is named after the tamarack tree, which is a unique tree that is similar to an evergreen, but its needles turn a golden color and drop from late summer to fall.
To use the audio tour, you can scan a QR code placed at the trailhead on a signboard that the city of Woodbury designed. One leads you to the App Store. The app is called IZI Travel. Once you are in the app, there's another QR code for you to scan. And once you scan that QR code, it takes you to the tour. The audio tour is also geolocated, which means that when visitors walk along a specific location, the audio tour starts playing automatically.
Another species of plants that can be found in this area of the preserve include the cattail plant. There are broadleaf cattail and narrow-leaved cattail.
As a steward for the TNP, there's three things that I think are important. One is to preserve the TNP for future generations. The second one is to enhance the experience. But the third one is engaging, and that's always hard. How do you engage a visitor? How do you get them to take something away? How do you get them to notice something about the TNP? And I think this is what Domnic's audio tour has done.
I invite everybody to come out, encourage you to take a walk through the nature preserve. I also want to thank Domnic for bringing this idea to the city and really following through and executing to come up with a really fantastic audio tour for our visitors here at the Tamarack Nature Preserve.
It feels really good to make a positive impact in my community, and I hope people continue using the audio tour throughout the years to explore this park. Yeah, it feels really good.
Thank you for visiting the Tamarack Nature Preserve and hope you visit again.